Today I'm going to show you our lead site. Any of these leads that you generate can easily be integrated into the NOVAM caller. So prime example, I can type something in here like people interested in selling their homes in Brooklyn, New York. So we can press the find leads button here, and then these leads begin generating. So they analyze what we type in here with AI, and then we interpret the kind of leads that we would basically try to find. So all of that gets populated here as well. And then your leads get generated instantaneously. And from here, you can basically read the data. Their business name comes up, their phone number. If no email was scraped or a manager was scraped, it won't scrape up. And this number has now jumped to 129, and it's going to continuously keep jumping until we can maximize how many leads we can find here. Now, while this is generating, you can actually use AI to analyze your leads. So you can ask the AI a question: which lead should I call first? Suggest a better search term and things like that. All of that is operational here. And you could actually download these leads, or you could actually just send these leads to your caller automatically. So you add to a list, and we will just call this people interested in selling homes, Brooklyn, New York. Once you have that list, you can come here and you can click and then insert that list into your caller, and then you can begin dialing right away.